नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ जेवीन डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss linear dependence and independence of vectors. Linear dependence and independence. If capital S is equal to x1, x2, x3 and so on xn be a finite subset of a vector space V over the field capital F, then S is said to be linearly dependent if there exist scalars alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n not all 0 such that alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus and so on plus alpha n xn is equal to 0. On the other hand, if the above equation holds only alpha I is equal to 0 for each I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n, then S is said to be linearly independent. Remarks. First, any subset of a vector space is either linearly dependent or independent. It means the nature of a set of vectors is only two, maybe two. This is the dependent or this is the linearly independent. Second point, a singleton set consisting of a non-zero vector is always linearly independent. Third, two vectors are linearly dependent if and only if one of them can be expressed as the scalar multiplication of the other. Now we will see a theorem. Any set of vectors which includes the zero vector is linearly dependent. Proof: let 0 be the zero vector of a vector space Vf and let S is equal to 0, x1, x2 and so on xn is a subset of V. Then we can write the linear combination alpha dot 0 plus 0 x1 plus 0 x2 plus and so on 0 xn is equal to 0, where alpha is non-zero scalar in the field capital F. This shows that the set S is linearly dependent. Remark. This theorem shows that a linearly independent set cannot have zero vector. This theorem shows that a linearly independent set cannot have zero vector. For the question, prove that the vector 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 3 and 5, 3, 3 are linearly dependent. For the solution, let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 be any three scalars in capital R, then alpha 1, 1, 1, 0 plus alpha 2, 3, 1, 3 plus alpha 3, 5, 3, 3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. This is alpha 1, alpha 1, 0 plus 3 alpha 2, alpha 2, 3 alpha 3 plus 5 alpha 3, 3 alpha 3, 3 alpha 3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. That is alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 2 plus 5 alpha 3 is equal to 0. Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus 3 alpha 3 is equal to 0. And 0 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 2 plus 3 alpha 3 is equal to 0. On solving these equations, we obtain alpha 1 is equal to 6, alpha 2 is equal to 3, alpha 3 is equal to minus 3. Thus the vectors 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 3 and 5, 3, 3 are linearly dependent. Thank you.